Installing the products is really easy and you don't need the help of a professional. All you need is a ruler, a pen, a file, a level, glue, a handsaw and a trowel. We recommend that you use protective equipment, gloves and protective goggles. As we have a variety of shapes and shades in each box, we recommend that before beginning the installation, you mix the products from several boxes so as to have a harmony of shapes and colours. Placing the stones without gluing them gives you a better feel as to how the final wall will look and helps you make better placement choices. Before beginning the installation, check that your support is dry and in good condition. Begin the installation from a corner. Just place the stone in its future position and mark it for cutting. Cut it using a handsaw, on the back, to avoid chipping. For a better fit, file the cut edge. For better adherence, we recommend that you scratch the back of the stones using a wire brush. Apply the glue to the back of the stone. Then place it on the wall, using a back and forth movement. It's important to begin with a corner or end of wall. Use a level to ensure that the rows are straight. Repeat the procedure for the rest of the stones. When beginning a new row, place the stone with an offset relative to the stone below. These will improve the appearance of the finished wall and provide for a more natural look. After finishing the installation, we recommend using a water and oil repellent spray in order to facilitate the maintenance of the stones.